Storytime at Home, presented by the Cincinnati and Hamilton County Public Library.
Hi, my name is Miss Mandi and I work at the Groesbeck branch. Today I'm going to be reading you Firebird, written by Misty Copeland and illustrated by Christopher Meyer. The space between you and me is longer than forever. You are the sky and the clouds and air. Your feet are as swift as sunlight, stretching across the skyline like day-long sun over the horizon. Me, I'm gray as rain, heavy as nap time, low as storm pressing on rooftops. I could never hope to leap the space between. Darling child, don't you know you're just where I started? Let the sun shine on your face. Your beginning's just begun. Before the curtain rises, before the spotlight falls, before the fireworks of costumes, before it all. I was a dancer just like you, a dreaming shooting star of a girl with work and worlds ahead. There I am, sweating at the bar. I had 1,000 leaps and falls, switching worn-out slippers, swift as applause. Even birds must learn to fly. Like me, you'll grow steady in grace, spread an arabesque of wings, and climb. Each position, 1 through 5, stair steps to the sky? That's right. You will soar, become a swan, a beauty, a firebird for sure. Soon, with the same practice, you'll join me in this dancing dream. In pas de deux, a music box for two, we will wrap our hearts, careful as ribbons on point shoes. We'll make the night sky our starry curtain, the moon our silver spotlight as we spin across the planets, pirouetting tightly as the curls on our heads. There she is as a firebird. Spinning wishes for new little ones we can't yet imagine. Then they will look to you and wonder, lighter than air and swift as sunlight turning over the day, and say, the space between you and me is longer than forever, and I will show them that forever is not so far away. Thank you for reading with me today, and now we have a special treat for you. I hope you enjoy this video from our partners at the Cincinnati Ballet as they show you how to dance like a bird.
We are going to learn about first position. Can everyone hold up the number 1? First position. In first position, we do our toes out and our heels together. Our toes out and our heels together. So I want everyone to take one foot, put your heel in the ground, and open up your toes. One foot, heel in the ground, open up your toes. Now, my dancers, it's very important that our heels are together and our feet stay on the floor. All 5 of my toes are able to be on the floor when I'm in first position. All 5 of my toes. Now, I think that first position looks kind of like a penguin. Can everyone waddle like a penguin? We're going to try to work on our first position with my favorite dance in the whole world. It's the penguin dance. So we are going to turn ourselves into penguins and remain in a first position where my heels are touching and all of my toes are resting on the floor. Penguins in first position.
Penguins attention. Penguins begin. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see.
Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
Right, have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins attention. Penguins begin. Right, left, flipper. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see.
Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
Right, left, flipper. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins attention. Penguins begin. Right, left, flipper. Left foot. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see.
Penguins, attention! Penguins, begin!
Right, left, flipper. Left foot. Nod your head. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins attention. Penguins begin. Right, left, flipper. Left foot. Nod your head. Turn around. Have you ever seen a penguin dancing here? When you look at me, a penguin you will see. Penguins attention. Penguins dismissed.
Wasn't that fantastic? Thank you so much to the Cincinnati Ballet for joining us today, and thank you for dancing with us as well. We'll see you next time.
Get free books in the mail. Sign up today. Go to Ohio Imagination Library.org to find out more.